This may seems like Japanese candlestick, but it is not, trust me, and I am going to show you exactly what type of candlestick it is and how you can trade on pocket option by using 5-second time frame, and how you can use a simple money management strategy to trade on 5-second time frame so that you will increase your chance of being in profit instead of loss. And this strategy is actually a stressless strategy. Okay, so watch this video till the end, and if you are new to my channel, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Now without doing any delay, let's get into our core topic. But one thing I want to show you firstly. Okay, so most people are confused on how you can select the 5-second time frame. Okay, most people are going to see this kind of time like 4:45, 30, and they will click on here and they will not see S5 at here. Okay, so let me make you absolutely clear. You don't need to select this 4:45, 30. Okay, don't click anywhere in this part, instead click in this flag part. Okay, just click on it and your time will be changed. Now you can just select at here and select this S5 so that you can trade on 5-second time frame. If you want to select 30-second, you can select here. If you want to trade on 15-second, you can select here. But for now, let's select S5. In this way, you can select the 5-second time frame. So lots of people were commenting in my other YouTube videos, so I'm making you absolutely clear in this video. Okay, so now let's talk about the candlestick. So this is not a Japanese candlestick, as I have already mentioned in the starting of this video. So what you need to do is you can select on this candle, okay, and then select this Heikin-Ashi. So these candles are Japanese candlestick, as you can see here, okay, and these are Heikin-Ashi candlestick, and the time frame of this candlestick is M1. So just select this and select S5 so that you can get the 5-second candlestick of Heikin-Ashi. So now what this Heikin-Ashi candlestick does is it reduces the noise completely, okay, so that you can see the clear trend on where actually the market is going. So if the market is clearly falling down, it is falling down in this way. If market is going up, then it is going up clearly. So now the video topic of this exact video is trade pocket option in 5-second time frame, but here is the trick. Okay, here is the trick. Okay, so your candlestick is 5-second, okay, but your time frame for trading should be at least 15 seconds. Okay, and you need to wait for this kind of fall or this kind of rise. Okay, and you clearly notice, okay, every time it breaks this kind of support and resistance. So if it is falling, then you'll see it will break this point, okay, and then you can start to take trade by clicking on lower. Similarly, here also you can see it is falling down and it have broke out from here, and now from here you can start to take trade, okay, on 15-second time frame, okay, so that you can go right on maximum of your time. Similarly, if you see about this up candle, okay, the candle that is going up, you can see their previous this breakout point. So it have broke out from this, then you can start to make trade by clicking on higher. Now in case if you don't know, then these points can be called as resistance. Okay, so whenever it break out this resistance, okay, then you can start to take trade by clicking on higher. Similarly, you can see, so this is also the resistance. Okay, it broke out at here. Now you can start to take trade by clicking on higher. Okay, similarly, if you keep on seeing all the candles are either breaking their resistance or they are breaking their support. So now let's see on if some candle have broke out their support also. So let's see. Okay, in this chart you will see most of these resistance are being broken, and these are the points where you can make trade. Okay, because these candles are most likely, all of these candles are going up. Okay, so this is the complete big uptrend in which time to time these candles are breaking their resistance, and that is the entry point for your trade by clicking on higher. So now in case of money management, let's say if you invest $10, okay, and you made a loss, then in next trade you need to trade with $30, okay, and if you lose that trade also, then you need to invest $90, and if you lose that also, then you need to stop trading. Okay, but if you made a profit on $90, then you will cover your previous $40 loss, and you will also grab some profit. Similarly, if you made profit on that $40 investment, then you will recover your previous $10 loss. Sorry, if you invest $30, then you'll also recover and make profit, then you'll also recover your previous $10 loss, and you'll grab some profit. Okay, but if you lose all of your $140, then you need to stop trading for, sorry, $130, you need to stop trading for that day. And in case of targeting the profit, you need to target the profit of if you are risking $130, then you need to you need to target the profit of $260. Okay, but if you are making profit while investing $10, then you can keep on investing $10 and target the profit of $260 by using this strategy, and most of your trade are going to go right. Okay, if you use this kind of breakouts to make this trade by selecting 15-second time frame. However, you can also select S5, okay, 5-second time frame, but it would be a little bit risky to make trade in these points. So guys, altogether this much I wanted to show you in this video. Take care, have a great day, bye bye.